Captain James Hook was a notorious pirate, known for his cunning and fearlessness. He had made a name for himself as one of the most successful pirates in the Caribbean, but he was never satisfied. He was always searching for his next great adventure, his next great treasure. One day, Captain Hook and his crew heard rumors of the fabled treasure of Lima. It was said to be the greatest treasure in all the land, and Captain Hook was determined to find it. He gathered his crew and set sail, ready for the journey ahead. The journey was not an easy one. Captain Hook and his crew encountered fierce storms, rival pirate crews, and even the Royal Navy. But Captain Hook was determined and refused to be deterred. They persevered, and as they approached their destination, they prepared for the biggest battle of their lives. Finally, after months at sea, Captain Hook and his crew arrived at the island where the treasure of Lima was said to be buried. They searched for days, unearthing every inch of the island, and finally, in a small cave, they found it. The treasure was beyond anything they could have imagined, and Captain Hook couldn't help but let out a hearty laugh. Captain Hook and his crew returned to their ship, the Jolly Roger, with their newfound wealth. They had accomplished what many before them had only dreamed of, and they had done it with cunning and determination. They were once again the talk of the Caribbean, and the legends of their adventure and the treasure of Lima would be passed down from generation to generation. Captain Hook sailed the seas for many years, always searching for his next great adventure. He became one of the most famous pirates in history, and his name would forever be remembered as one of the greatest treasure hunters of all time. The treasure of Lima may have been his greatest conquest, but it was only the beginning of the adventures of Captain Hook.